What's the meaning of angst? Angst. 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 Angst.
Angst is a feeling of deep anxiety or dread, often accompanied by a sense of hopelessness and despair. It's a word commonly used to describe a feeling of intense emotional turmoil that can sometimes feel overwhelming and all-consuming. People experiencing angst may feel a sense of disorientation or confusion, as well as a nagging sense of unease about the future. This term is often used in literature or philosophy to describe a state of existential crisis or an overall feeling of malaise and dissatisfaction with life.